Oh yeah. I remember when the sunrise called your name. Golden mornings never felt the same. Walking barefoot on the island sand, forever felt so close, right in our hands. Your laughter danced with every ocean breeze, like the whisper flowing through the trees. Now the waves keep telling me goodbye, leaving only tears beneath the sky. Every little memory still remains, like the sunshine after summer rain. Though you're gone, your shadow stays, following me through endless days. I've got a broken reggae heart tonight, still searching for your love beneath the moonlight. Every rhythm plays your sweet goodbye, while the lonely seagulls softly cry. I've got a broken reggae heart, so true. Every melody still belongs to you, though the tide keeps pulling you away. My love will never fade. Your picture lives inside my soul, like a story never growing old. Every sunset paints your smiling face. No one else could ever take your place. The stars still shine above the sea, but they don't shine as bright for me. I'm singing with this old guitar, hoping somehow you'll hear where you are. Maybe one day love will find its way, like a dawn after the darkest day. If destiny brings you home once more, I'll be waiting on this island shore. I got a broken reggae heart tonight, holding on until the morning light. Every heartbeat keeps your memory near, even when you're not here. I've got a broken reggae heart inside, still riding with the ocean tide. Though the world keeps turning endlessly, you'll always be the song in me. Broken heart, but the rhythm goes on. Broken soul, still singing this song. One love, one dream, one memory, forever in my reggae heart.